I joined Rebel, that time I was also like you. Similarly, everybody starts from the zero. Rebel. Okay. So, but I was very crazy about English. You will not believe it, I was crazy. Once upon a time, I went to Maharajganj because my sister's exam was ongoing. So I left the class. I brought my sister and I went there to teach her.
नहीं पढ़ी लिखी है और ये भी बहुत अपर क्लास फैमिली से नहीं आते, हम ही लोगों के बीच से आते, बट इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा किया। और अपने मम्मी को लेकर गए, मम्मी डर रही थी प्लेन में जा रहे हैं, ये तो कितना अच्छा लगा होगा उन मम्मी को, बताइए। हम लोग अपने एक मुसलमान को सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम होता है कि हम हज करें और सारा लाइबिलिटीज फ्री हो। तो ये अपने मम्मी और पापा के लाडले नहीं, कि मेरे भी लाडले हैं और सौभाग्य से इनका भी नाम लाडले। मुझे गर्व होता है कि मैं इनका टीचर रहा हूँ, मेरे विद्यार्थी रहे और जब भी आते हैं। और ये आपको जानकर आश्चर्य होगा कि सेफ्टी मैनेजमेंट में झोला ढोने वाले नहीं, इनका तस्वीर में मैं दिखाऊंगा, व्हाट्सएप पर देख करेंगे। ये ट्रेनर है, भले यहाँ के ये स्टूडेंट है तो क्या, ट्रेनर, ये ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि जहां आप लोग जाएं, दरी बिछाने वाला नहीं बने, कुर्सी पूछने वाला नहीं रहे, उसमें के लीड करने वाला, और वो लीडर है। एक तो इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि बाबू कहीं का दरी बिछाने वाला नहीं बनना, लीड करने वाला बनना। इतने लोगों को ये लीड है तो कहीं रहना है, इन्हीं से मैं आपको ये कहा, कहीं पोडियम का लेक्चर देना हो, चाहे कहीं भी होगा, यू नीड टू बी देयर कि नहीं आई कैन डू दिस थिंग्स। और इंग्लिश एक ऐसा भाषा है, कोई भी फॉरेन डेलीगेट्स आएगा, अगर आपको कम्युनिकेशन आता है तो आप ही से लीड करें। और ये इंग्लिश इज ए वर्ल्ड मसाला, am I right? You can do these things, अच्छा कर सकते हैं। इन्होंने तो बहुत छोटा कोर्स किया, और चूंकि घर की स्थिति परिस्थिति थोड़ा बहुत मैं जानता हूँ, सिचुएशन अलग है, तो हर आदमी का अलग अलग फैमिली कंडीशन है, तो ऐसा थोड़े मैं बता सकता हूँ कि नहीं आपको तो MBBS ही करना चाहिए। ड्रीम इज हाई बट पॉकेट इज स्मॉल। उसी अनुसार अगर हम लोग सिवान में हैं, तो ये बात को समझ में आ रहा है कि हम लोग लोअर मिडिल क्लास हैं, अन्यथा कहीं और होते, कैलिफोर्निया यूनिवर्सिटी में होते और कहीं और होते। सिवान में है और है, लेकिन जो सिचुएशन है उसी में हम लोग आगे डेवलप करना है, एम आई राइट ना, और उसी में गोल मार देना है। जिन्होंने एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने बाबू अपना लाडले को दिया, तो आइए 2 मिनट उनसे सुनिए, फिर मैं आपको कम्युनिकेशन कराता हूँ। ऐसे ताली थोड़ा जाते हैं, गेस्ट के लिए खड़े होकर ताली बजाते हैं।
Good morning. How are you, everybody? Really? That's great. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Abbas sir, because he has introduced myself in front of you. And it is a great honor that he introduced myself in front of you. Okay? So I want everybody, please, give a big round of applause for him. Now, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Adle Khan. I'm from Lawan, near Parhadia. But if I talk about my academic qualification, I have done diploma in mechanical engineering, and apart from that, I have done NIBOS, IOS, OSA, trainer, etc. Right? This is the technical course. Maybe you don't know about that. But if I talk about my target, when I was here, the same place in 2017, that time my target was to be a safety officer. This safety officer. But when I entered in this field, I realized there are so many positions, those who are waiting for me. So I decided to be a trainer. So how did I become a trainer? I would like to tell you. Would you like to listen or no? Okay. So when I joined Saudi Arabia in one company, right? So there was 6,000 workers. How many? 6,000 workers. So there was a mass DBT on Saturday. So every week there was one mass DBT. Mass DBT means all workers, they got together and we have to speak about any topic. So one person, he was from Kerala, he was conducting the activity. So when I saw the public, the crowd, and the scenario, I realized that I should also speak in front of the thousands of people, 6,000 of people. So I went to them and I said, sir, I want to speak next time. Would you like to give the opportunity to me? He said no. He looked at me, that how he can speak in front of the 6,000 people. They, what to say, underestimated me, that he cannot speak. Okay? But I realized I should not leave them. I approached a lot, sir, I want a chance. Just give me one chance. If I not speak well, next time don't give me this chance. So they said, okay, we will give you one chance. Next week, just be prepared. I said, okay. So when I went on the stage, 6,000 people were waiting for me. Okay? So the topic was one topic related to the health and safety field. I went there and I started speaking. First time I spoke in front of the 6,000 people. So I said, I heard and I learned from Akash sir that if you want to speak something, first you have to connect with the people. So how can you connect with the people? They are laborers. Some they are engineers, supervisors. So how can I connect with them? So I said, how many people from Bihar and UP? My first question was this. How many people? Means, are you getting or not? Getting me? So many people, I spoke in Hindi. Many people, they raised their hand. And they're happy. They became happy. Why? Because I belong to Bihar. They realized some safety officer who is from Bihar, now he is going to conduct a mass activity. They became happy. Okay? So, when they raised their hand, I realized they are my man. Then I spoke Bhojpuri. And why I spoke Bhojpuri, I learned from Akash sir. He said, when Modi came in Bihar, I would like to say in Hindi, he said, Bihar ke mitti mein bahut taakat ba. Like this. So I remember when I speak Bhojpuri, definitely they will connect with me. Yes or no? So they connected with me and I spoke. And when I spoke about that topic, you will not believe me, the first clap sounds become, what to say, means awesome. They became happy and they clapped a lot. Many people, they came to me and they said, sir, no one spoke like this. The way you speak today, it's really awesome. They appreciated me. And their appreciation encouraged myself to be a trainer, to change my position. Then my manager, he told me, Ladle, do you have any certificate of train the trainer? I said, no, sir. Then he said, arrange it quickly. Then I arranged. Okay, I got registered with an institute from Ayush and I did this course. Then he said, now be ready for the Aramco interview. I was there, first time I joined the Aramco, and in first attempt, I cracked the interview. So my manager trusted me that he is the one, he can lead 6,000 people. So they provided me 2 assistants, and I was leading all the trainings. Okay, so from that time to till now, I work as a trainer. And recently, I'm working in UAE in a target company, and with the ADNOC project. And I'm also leading each and everything. As I saw some pictures, this is called team building event function. When my manager sent an email and he said, Ladle, do you know how to conduct team building event function? I said, yes, sir, I know how to conduct. He said, are you sure? Because once they see me, they look at me, they don't believe. After watching my performance, this is a very big issue with me. First impression, the first time the one he look at me, they don't believe. Until they don't watch my performance. When my manager watched my performance, how he is going to lead. So my PD, project director, on the spot, he called me. And in front of all engineers, all safety officers, he appreciated me. And he gave me one gift. I already sent that picture, but net is very slow here. Okay, so in this way, I become a trainer, and believe me, I love to speak English, and I love to train the people. I love to advise the people. The thing sir told you, we have 75 years, and out of 75 years, we have to spend 25 years in sleeping time, right? So this thing, I always used to say to my workers, a people's life is 25 years. Now your life is, and 25 years you will spend while sleeping. Now how old are you? 30, 40. But sir told so many great things, great dreams, but I showed them. What I told them that, you have now 10 years. Are you married? They said, some of them they say yes, some of them they said no. Suppose if you are not married, you have to get married, right? They said yes. How much salary you have? And how much salary you are getting right now? If they are workers, they cannot get more than 1,200 UAE dirham. Right? So I showed them, how can you live your life in a good manner, in a good way? Sir showed me so many pictures when I joined. Sir showed, this is the Hong Kong pictures. So many pictures they showed. So I realized that when I will become a person, I will also visit. And today, my family is disturbed by me. Whenever I came here, and whenever I come in India, I used to go any places to enjoy my life. And certainly, I also took my mom in Makkah for the Umrah, and also I took my mom in Kolkata, in Kashmir, just for the life journey, so that my mom can get different experience. She can realize, yes, he is the one. And believe me, my parents, they, what to say, they proud of myself. Okay. So, third lectures is for everyone. If you will get it seriously, definitely you are going to do something different in your life. And if you are not taking it seriously, believe me, you are not going to do anything. And whatever I have learned, all the things, all the words of my Akasa is in my mind. I have so many formulas and proverbs by Akasa I still remembered. Some of the supervisors, what they said, they came to me to attend the training, and they go and they explain their workers. They don't send their workers to me to get the training. So I said them, suppose if you are getting training by me, and you are going to explain to your workers, this is not your job, this is my job. Send your workers to me so that I can give them training. So what I said the examples and proverbs. Can I say this? So whatever they are going to say to their workers, I say, अगर आप जाके अपने वर्कर्स को बता रहे हैं तो आप क्या बताएंगे? सर यहाँ पढ़ाते हैं 100%, राइट? हम लोग ऑब्जर्व कितना करते हैं? 80%. बाहर निकलते 70%, घर जाते 50%, और फिर नेक्स्ट डे आते तो 50%, 20%. Yes or no? This is the human common thing, right? So I said कि अगर कोई आदमी है तो बीच के पास गया, बीच के पास, राइट? तो बीच के पास गया तो बीच में जो पानी होता है वेव मारता है, like this. Maybe you have heard this proverbs by sir. बीच का पानी वेव मारता है. अब कोई आदमी उसको बोतल में भर लिया, राइट? और बोल रहा है आपका नाम क्या है? मनोज कुमार. सी दिस पानी वाज फिल्टरिंग इन द सी. ये पानी क्या कर रहा है? वेव मार रहा था. कैन यू सी द वेव इन द बॉटल? यू कांट. इफ यू वांट टू सी द वेव, यू हैव टू गो टू द बीच. अगर आपको समंदर का धार देखना है तो समंदर के पास, राइट? नॉट. इफ अगर आप वर्कर को समझा रहे हैं, उनको परफेक्ट प्रॉपर कंटेंट चाहिए, दे हैव टू कम टू मी. You cannot explain them properly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is the work, this is the things I always motivate my workers, and because of my motivation, my manager, he's from Algeria, right? He always appreciate myself. My age is low, but trust me, I can defeat anyone in the field of health and safety profession, because safety is like an ocean. So what I know opposite person can know more than me, but what I know, I can also defeat them by my knowledge. Okay, so I want everybody to please be sincere and be serious and trust Akasa and trust yourself. Whatever is teaching you, that's a highly most quality thing. We have to always keep in our mind. We have to value that. We have to understand the importance of our teaching of Akasa. Yes or no? So thank you so much for listening carefully. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैं इनको नहीं देख रहा था, मैं 7 साल बाद आपको देख रहा था. हमें लगता है कि उम्मीदों से कहीं ज्यादा आपको मिला. अगर चुप गए तो, अगर ठान लिए तो सारा खेल इसी का. तो मैं चाहूंगा खड़े होकर जोरदार तालियों से इनको धन्यवाद. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच.